come here. Kitty. Kitty, kitty, meow, meow. Kitty, come here. Come here. Come here. What are you thinking? Come on. No, come here. This is what I have to do with cats. Kitty, no. So there's another cat right there, and then that's our cat. They look exactly like the same. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Whatever, I'm gonna leave them to it. I don't care. Honestly, I just need them to fight. So, our cat is out and I'm cosplaying. And I was supposed to be doing like a photo thing, and I see another cat, which we've had problems with that other cat, which my yellow cat was with that cat, so I don't know what was happening. My yellow tabby is a male. Both of my cats are male. I don't know what else to do with it. I'm like trying to keep my phone right there. So my parents are over there. This is my backyard. Don't know what else to do right now. Do not know what else to do. Because my cat is on the other side of my house, which I do not want to show my other side of my house at all, because, like, you know me, I don't like flexing. We have neighbors right beside us, and they're making noise, which I think they're chopping down trees. Well, I'm in cosplay. But, like, you know, like, so, like, the first half of me trying to get my other cat away from my other cat. I was gonna try that again. I swear to God. What in the world is happening? What in tarnation is going on with these two cats? That one right there. I don't know where to put right there is my cat, and that's not our cat. What are you doing? So I'm trying to get both of those cats away. I just had another person coming by. That's not my grandfather. Good. Don't know what else to do. My parents know that the cat is out, which I'm trying to get Kitty away from him. Yes, we go. Our brown cat, Kitty meow meow. I do not know why. But like, probably will make a part 2 of this. But this will probably be an hour long of me just explaining about what's going on in my family. Oh, that scared me. Oh my God. Me having an anxiety attack is like worse than me having a regular, not a panic attack, because I do not want a panic attack on me, but like, you know me, I'm a huge cosplayer, so like, cosplayers have the most wildest things go on. Some cosplayers get thrown in jail. Yeah, so, yeah. I don't want to bring it up. No, we're not bringing it up. But probably need to fix this. Come here. I'm gonna get a whole lot of bug bites tonight. I'm getting a lot of bug bites. I've been outside for the past hour trying to teach my aunt's dog to like learn how to do his manners or whatever. I'm gonna go get him real quickly. yeah, I'll make a second video about this, so bye everyone.